In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email on MyFitnessPal. This process is essential for keeping your account secure and ensuring that you receive important notifications. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and search for MyFitnessPal. You can do this by typing MyFitnessPal into the search bar and hitting enter. Once the search results appear, you will see various links related to MyFitnessPal. It is important to click on the official site link to avoid any potential issues with phishing or scams. This initial step is crucial because it leads you directly to the platform where you can manage your account. Next up, click on the correct link to access the MyFitnessPal website and log into your account. You will need to enter your username and password in the designated fields. This step is vital because it confirms your identity and allows you to make changes to your account settings. After you enter your login credentials, click the Login button. If you've entered your information correctly, you will be directed to your dashboard where you can manage your fitness journey. Now locate and click on the My Home tab at the top of the dashboard. This tab is usually prominently displayed and serves as your main navigation point within the site. By clicking on My Home, you are accessing the area where various options for account management and tracking your progress are available. It keeps everything organized and allows for easy navigation, which is very user-friendly. From there, select Settings from the sub-navigation bar. This option will typically appear just below the My Home tab. Clicking on Settings is essential because it takes you to the area where you can modify your account details, including email preferences. Here you will find a variety of settings that can be adjusted according to your needs. After that, click on Change Email Address/Preferences from the options list. You may need to scroll to find this option, but it is usually listed among other account-related settings. This step is important because it directs you to the section where you can update your email address. Ensuring that your email is up to date means you will not miss out on any vital updates or communications from MyFitnessPal. Now type your new email address into the field provided. Make sure to double-check the spelling to avoid any mistakes. This is a crucial step because an incorrect email could prevent you from receiving important notifications or updates. It is advisable to use an email address that you frequently check so you stay informed about your account and any promotional offers. Next, confirm your password to authorize the change. This step is essential for security purposes. By entering your password, you verify that it is indeed you making this change. It helps protect your account from unauthorized access, ensuring that only you can make adjustments to your personal information. Finally, click Save Changes at the bottom of the form to update your account. This action is the last step in the process, and it is important because it finalizes your email change. After clicking Save, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your email has been updated successfully. This reassures you that your changes are secure and effective. And that's it. You have successfully changed your email on MyFitnessPal. This simple process enhances your account's security and ensures you receive all necessary updates. Thank you for following along.